Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So I am back today with a tutorial featuring the Crease palette from Juvia's Place. I was not gonna get this palette at first because y'all know pinks and purples stain so bad, but I actually don't know if it's gonna stain yet because I of course haven't taken that off, but I guess we'll see. But if you guys are interested in seeing this tutorial, then make sure you guys go ahead and keep watching. So as usual, I'm going to be using my P. Louise base in the shade 5. I'm taking this color, I'm packing it like in the first half of my crease, and then I'm going to take this one and pack it like in the second half, and I'm using the E17 for both colors. Actually, I think I showed y'all the wrong one. Now I'm adding this color instead. I think I showed you guys the other one, but I'm adding this one instead, and then I'm gonna use the other one I showed you guys to blend. Okay, so for the first color, I'm using this pink in the center to blend, and then I'm going to use this one to blend the second color. So these two are acting as transition shades. Alright, so sometimes purple doesn't blend like completely. It's kind of hard to blend, so I'm gonna take some more of the dark color and I'm gonna just use the E17 to blend it out. So now that that is blended, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. I was using the P. Louise base, but for some reason I just prefer to use my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation. This one is in the shade F1. It's literally just a lighter foundation. Okay, so you guys want to make sure that you pat your color. I should have zoomed in so you guys could see it, because if it looks wet, then your colors are going to apply patchy. You want to pat it until it's almost matte looking. It's equivalent to like you putting concealer underneath your eyes and then trying to go ahead and set it before you blend it. You know, you want to make sure you blend it completely first before you set it. So yeah, look at it that way, and that should help with patchy eyeshadow. But I'm going to take the same dark purple from earlier, and I'm going to use that one to blend out the harsh line over here. And then for the actual lid color, I'm taking this shimmery silver pigment. Guys, whenever you apply glitter, you want to put some type of color down first. Put one down that matches the glitter, or one that's like really close to it anyway, if you have one. Okay, so I'm just gonna be applying some fine silver glitter along with like some chunky mixed glitter. It's all silver, and I'm applying that with my duo lash glue. But now I'm just gonna line my crease with, actually, you know what, first I'm gonna apply some black liner. I'm gonna use the one from NYX. And then now I'm going to take Scrunchie from Suva, and I'm going to go right on top of where I lined my lid, and I'm also going to line my crease like you guys see on this eye. Alright, guys, now I'm just going to add some eyeliner. I'm gonna highlight with Stardust from Go Glitters. It has like a pink tint to it, but it doesn't really show up that pink on my skin. I'm going into my Saharan, I'm going to my Saharan, I can't never say this right, Volume 2 palette, and I'm gonna add this blush down here at the bottom. Okay, you guys, so you have made it to the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed today's look, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next one.